So you've learned how the stock market works, and you know you don't need a fortune to get started. But the big question is, where do you actually go to buy a stock? The answer is a brokerage account, and today I'm going to break down exactly what that is and how you can open one, step by step. Think of a brokerage account like your favorite shopping app. Just like you use an app to buy clothes or order food, you use a brokerage account to buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, and index funds. It's your personal gateway to the stock market. Without one, you simply can't invest. So, how does it work? It's really simple. First, you open an account with a brokerage company. Second, you deposit money into that account. Third, you search for the investment you want to buy, like a share of your favorite company. And fourth, you click buy. That's it. The brokerage firm acts as the middleman, handling the trade for you securely. Now, there are two main types of accounts you should know about as a beginner. First, there's the standard brokerage account. This one is super flexible. You can put money in and take it out whenever you need to, making it great for general investing goals. Second, there are retirement accounts, like a Roth IRA. These are designed specifically for long-term retirement savings and often come with awesome tax advantages, but they usually have rules about when you can withdraw your money. If you're just getting your feet wet, a standard brokerage account is often the simplest and best place to start. But hold on, not all brokerages are the same. As a beginner, you want to look for a few key things: low or zero commission fees so you are not paying just to make a trade, the option to buy fractional shares so you can start with just a few dollars, an easy-to-use app, and of course strong security. You don't need the most complex platform with a million charts. You just need one that's simple and welcoming. A common worry is my money safe? Reputable, major brokerages are regulated and insured, which protects your cash. But remember, the safety of the brokerage is different from the risk of investing. Markets go up and down, so your investment choices are where the real risk lies. So, what are the common mistakes to avoid? First, opening an account and then never actually investing. Second, jumping straight into risky hot stocks without any research. And third, investing money that you might need in the near future. Opening the account is just step one. Investing wisely is the real journey. Let's do a quick recap. A brokerage account is your ticket to the investing world. To get started, research some beginner-friendly brokerages, open an account, start small, and focus on investing consistently. It's that simple. If this video helped clear things up for you, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more investing basics explained simply, and let me know in the comments, have you opened your brokerage account yet? Thanks for watching.